Sponsored by VSK Job Consultant. FAQ for marketing and sales job seekers and employers. 1. Tell me about a time you failed in a marketing, sales campaign or initiative. What did you learn? Answer. In my previous role at previous company, we launched a social media campaign targeting a younger demographic for our new product line. Despite significant initial engagement, the conversion rates were much lower than anticipated. Upon analysis, we realized our messaging wasn't resonating deeply with their specific needs and pain points. I learned the critical importance of in-depth audience segmentation and tailoring our communication to their unique perspectives. We pivoted by creating more relatable content and saw a significant improvement in conversion within the following quarter. This experience underscored the value of continuous monitoring, data-driven adjustments, and not being afraid to iterate based on performance. 2. How do you stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies in marketing, sales? Answer. I'm a firm believer in continuous learning. I regularly follow industry-leading publications like mention 2 to 3 relevant publications, blogs, participate in webinars and online courses offered by platforms like mention relevant platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, and actively engage in professional networking groups on platforms like LinkedIn. I also make it a point to research successful campaigns and analyze emerging technologies to understand how they can be leveraged for better results. For instance, I've been closely following the developments in AI-powered personalization and its potential to enhance customer engagement. 3. Describe your experience with specific marketing tool, software, e.g., CRM, marketing automation platform, analytics tool. Answer. I have hands-on experience with specific tool, software, for mention specific tasks like lead management, email marketing, campaign analysis. At previous company, I utilized specific tool to describe a specific achievement or responsibility using the tool, quantifying results if possible. For example, using the CRM, I was able to streamline our lead nurturing process, resulting in a quantifiable result, e.g., 15% increase in qualified leads. I am proficient in leveraging its features to mention key skills related to the tool. 4. How do you handle rejection in sales? Answer. I view rejection as an inevitable part of the sales process and an opportunity for learning and refinement. Instead of getting discouraged, I try to understand the reasons behind the no. Was it the timing, the product market fit, the communication? I analyze the feedback to identify areas where I can improve my approach or better qualify prospects in the future. I also maintain a positive attitude and focus on the next opportunity. Building resilience is key to long-term success in sales. 5. Can you walk me through your process for developing a marketing strategy for a new product, service? Answer. My process typically involves several key stages. First, I conduct thorough market research to understand the target audience, competitive landscape, and potential opportunities. This includes analyzing market trends, customer needs, and competitor strategies. Second, I define clear and measurable objectives aligned with the overall business goals. Third, I identify the most effective channels and tactics to reach the target audience, considering budget and resources. Fourth, I develop compelling messaging and content that resonates with the target audience's pain points and aspirations. Finally, I establish a plan for implementation, tracking, and analysis to measure performance and make necessary adjustments. I believe in a data-driven approach where every step is informed by insights and results are continuously monitored. 6. How do you measure the success of your marketing, sales efforts? Answer. The key to measuring success is aligning metrics with the specific goals of the campaign or initiative. For marketing, this could include metrics like website traffic, lead generation, conversion rates, customer acquisition cost, brand awareness, through surveys and social listening, and return on investment (ROI). In sales, key metrics include sales revenue, sales volume, conversion rates, average deal size, customer lifetime value, and churn rate. I'm proficient in using analytics tools to track these metrics, generate reports, and provide actionable insights to optimize performance. 7. Tell me about a time you had to work under pressure to meet a tight deadline in marketing, sales. Answer. During my time at previous company, we had a critical product launch with a very aggressive timeline due to market competition. The marketing team had to develop and execute the entire launch campaign, including website updates, content creation, social media promotion, and PR outreach, within a compressed time frame of 2 weeks. To manage this pressure, I prioritized tasks based on impact and dependencies, collaborated closely with cross-functional teams, and maintained constant communication to ensure everyone was aligned. We implemented agile methodologies for quick iterations and focused on delivering the core message effectively. Despite the tight deadline, we successfully launched the product on time and achieved mention a positive outcome, e.g., exceeded initial sales targets by 10%. 8. How do you build and maintain strong relationships with clients, customers? Answer. Building strong relationships is fundamental to long-term success in both marketing and sales. I believe in actively listening to understand their needs and challenges, providing value beyond the immediate transaction, and being responsive and reliable. This involves consistent communication, personalized interactions, and proactively addressing any concerns. In sales, I focus on being a trusted advisor rather than just a salesperson. In marketing, this translates to creating content and experiences that are relevant and helpful to the target audience, fostering a sense of community and loyalty. For more career resources and job opportunities in marketing and sales, please contact VSK Job Consultant at 9840-33699 or visit our website at www.vskbusinessconsultant.in. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow our WhatsApp channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram for continuous updates and valuable career insights. Trust VSK Job Consultant to guide you on your career journey.